In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation to set due dates in Jira. If you regularly create issues and want due dates to be assigned automatically, this is a great way to save time and keep your team consistent. Instead of manually setting a deadline every time a new issue is created, Jira Automation can handle it for you in the background. To begin, open the project or space where you want to automate due dates. Once you're inside that project, go to Project Settings. In the Settings area, look for Automation in the sidebar and select it. This is where you can build rules that automate actions inside Jira. Next, click Create Rule. The first part of the rule is the trigger, which tells Jira when the automation should start. For this setup, select Issue Created as the trigger. That means every time a new issue is created in the project or a fault, the rule will run. After selecting it, click Save. Now it's time to add the action that will set the due date. Click New Action, then choose Edit Issue. This action lets you automatically update one of the issue's fields. From there, choose the due date field. In the Value area, enter a smart value or date rule. This is what tells Jira how to calculate the due date. For example, if you enter double curly brackets now, dot plus days, open parenthesis 7, close parenthesis, double curly brackets, Jira will set the due date to 7 days after the issue is created. If you want business days instead of calendar days, you can use double curly brackets, now dot, business days, open parenthesis, 5, close parenthesis, double curly brackets. That would set the due date 5 business days after creation. Once you've entered the rule you want, click Save. If needed, you can also set different due dates based on issue type. To do that, click Add Condition and select Issue Fields Condition. Then choose Issue Type. This allows you to create logic for different categories of work. For example, a task could be due in 7 days, while a bug could be due in 3 days. If you want separate timelines like that, add separate actions for each condition as needed. When your rule is fully configured, the last step is to enable it. Give the rule a clear name, such as Auto Set Due Date on Creation, so it's easy to recognize later. Then click Turn on Rule. Once it's enabled, Jira will automatically assign due dates whenever new issues are created, helping your workflow stay organized and on schedule.